Today is 23rd November 2024. Again, I have 30 people for the sushi workshops. This is just a month before the Christmas. So, there come so many people for workshops. Actually, my hotel is one of the best hotels where we provide the best sushi in Belgium. So, and then people who come for workshop, they learn a lot how to make sushis, and they really enjoy their self-cooking on sushi, and they know, they learn a lot from these workshops, the basic techniques of the sushi, and how to prepare, where to buy materials, and a lot of things they learn. So actually, my name is Purbu, and this is the hotel where I'm working. This terrace, and the other side is also a look. Yeah, this is called a jardin in French. There's a garden. There's a backyard cafe, a restaurant. The other one is a new building. It's just built here a few years before. Yeah. So this is how it looks. I stay there, and I come forward and backward and tell them how to make the rolls and a little bit about the history of the sushis. So, like this way. And whoever comes for the workshop, they can learn a lot of things, yeah? It's in Hotel Wadwal, Beverens, in Belgium. And my name is Furbo. And welcome to the Sushi Workshop.